Hello, Pre-Algebra, and welcome to Quarter 3, Week 9. So today is the first day of the week. We are going to review for the quiz on Tuesday. Make sure that you go through the quiz is review as many times as you need to until you earn 100%. So on Tuesday, we have the quiz. Please take the quiz on time, that day that it is given. There's still an assignment for the power-ups. Go through carefully as they are FSA style questions on Tuesday. Then moving on for the rest of the chapter, we have 7-5, similar triangles and indirect measurement on Wednesday and Thursday. Friday will be the last lesson of the chapter, 7-6, slope and similar triangles. Be sure to study and keep studying all week long, completing the chapter review that's posted at the end of this week, because your chapter test will be next Wednesday, March 10th. Have a wonderful week and finish the quarter strong.